Imagine these factories that don't just produce but sustain, factories that don't pollute but protect. Sound impossible? It is closer than you think. Welcome to the future of sustainable manufacturing in mechanical engineering, where innovation is not just about better product, it is about a better planet. Today I am taking you on a journey to see how manufacturing can go green without losing its power. Traditionally, manufacturing has a bad rap for pollution and waste. But what if we could flip the script today? Engineers are rewriting the rules by integrating clean energy, recycling and smart tech. Take a look at these solar powered facilities. They are not only cutting cost but reducing carbon footprints. For every factory that switches that step toward cleaner skies and greener land. Or consider these robots that recycle materials directly on site. Engineers are developing systems where nothing is wasted. Imagine every byproduct being repurposed into something new. That is circular economy in action. And the best part, it is not just big companies making changes. Students and new engineers are diving into sustainable designs right from their laptop. Tech software designing eco-friendly products has been more accessible. So what can you do? Whether you are a student or engineer, challenge yourself. Start designing with the planet in mind. The future of sustainable manufacturing is happening now, and it's open to everyone willing to innovate. We are standing at a turning point. Will we create industries that uplift the earth instead of draining it? Let's engineer a future where our factories become the very heartbeat of sustainability. Like, share and subscribe for more insights on the future of engineering. Together, let's innovate for a sustainable world.